recently got this
Hi,
opportunity to
myself
work as a machine learning
Drishalvani.
mentor
I have
at
completed
Unified
my
Mentor, and to be
internship
honest,
with
it has
Unified
been a
Mentor
great
as a full
experience.
stack web
I got to
development
learn many
intern. It
things
was a great
which
learning
helped me boost my
experience.
confidence
I got
and
to work
enhance
on the
my skills
projects
in the
like
domain of machine learning.
weather app,
The
which
Unified
uses
Mentors
API
team has
integration,
been
or
very
student teacher
supportive
booking
throughout this
appointments,
internship.
which
So
also
yeah,
uses Firebase and
it
Cloud
was a very
Firestore.
great
I
experience.
had such a
I
great
recently
time
got this
working on this
opportunity to
project,
work as
which
a machine learning intern
makes my
at
knowledge
Unified Mentor,
or my
and to
theoretical
be
knowledge
honest, it
worked
has
into the
been a great
practical ones.
experience.
It
I got to
improved
learn
my
many things
skills in
which
HTML,
helped me boost
CSS,
my confidence
JavaScript,
and
and
enhance my
also
skills in
I
the
happen
domain
to
of
learn
machine
new
learning.
skills
The
like
Unified
React,
Mentors
Node,
team has been very
and
supportive
Firebase as
throughout
well.
this internship. So
I
yeah,
had such a great time.
it was a
Overall,
very
the
great experience.
mentors in Unified Mentor are
I
so
recently got
supportive.
this
Any
opportunity
doubts
to
can be
work as a
solved if
machine
I
learning
message them or
intern
call them
at
in any
Unified
time,
Mentor, and to
which
be
was a
honest,
great
it
thing
has
which
been
makes
a great
every
experience.
task easier.
I got to learn many
Thank you,
things which
Unified
helped me
Mentor,
boost
for
my
giving me
confidence
this
and
opportunity,
enhance
and
my
I'll
skills in
recommend
the
to all
domain
the
of machine
students to
learning.
gain the
The
work
Unified Mentors team
experience
has
and
been
the
very
real life
supportive
experience
throughout
through
this
this.
internship.
Thank you.
So yeah,